Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a Boxy Charm day, so let's get to it. So it's here. I am very late. This is the October box. I've been out of town. We have been going different places for like birthday dinners, and we did trunk or treat last weekend. So I'm very far behind on this, but we're still gonna open it. Alright, October Boxy Charm. First thing I'm seeing is Touch and Soul. Okay, let's see what's in here. It says glassy. Okay, let's see. Oh, that smells good. Okay. So this is a skin balm. I knew it had to be like some kind of lotion, and that's what it is. Glassy Skin Balm by Touch of Soul. And it smells like just like really clean. I like that a lot. And it was, for this container, it is $32. Okay, so your box is $21. This is more than the value you pay. That's why I love Boxy Charm. It's amazing. You get to try all kinds of things that you normally wouldn't, and you get way more than you'd spend just in the store. So this is by Iconic London in the color, oh gosh, I guess I need my bifocals, y'all. Love Struck. And it is a lip gloss, I can tell. Yep, lip gloss, sticky. It's got like a slight pink tint to it right here, but not much of anything. The price on it, and it is 26 bucks. Next thing I'm seeing is Cleansing Spa Water. Contains natural herbal essences, uses natural spa water, and is oil-free and mildly acidic. So, there's those. And they are $17. So cotton cleansing spa water cloths to remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing your skin. Okay, next thing is, oh Lord, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce this, you guys, because I'm gonna butcher that. But it's a lip liner pencil in 935 Dark Natural. So here it is. Maybe you guys can, I don't know, read that brand. And it's in a nice brown shade. I am not huge on lip liners, but when I get them, I do try to use them just for the heck of it. Why not? If you've got them, right? And it is only $5. I've honestly never gotten a product that this was this far under the box price. Jasper decided to join. Come here, Jasper. Tell everybody hello. Hello. Thank you. Jasper gets jealous when I'm gone too long. Okay. Can mommy do her last one? You think? Okay. Okay, so this is their palette. And he's gone. He's already over it. Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors, and I love this brand. Okay, so there's that. And then it's got all the shades on the back for you, actually. So that looks pretty awesome. Good fall colors, but these are actually gonna work really good throughout winter too. I love mauves and purples in the winter. It just is like my favorite, so I'm super excited. Okay, you get your little eyeshadow brush if anybody's interested in that. I usually use my bigger ones, but it's nice when you get the extra. Okay, oh, they're soft. Okay. So as you can see, they're all very pigmented. Even that really light shade, I'm loving. So there's that. That's great. I'm excited. I will definitely use every single shade in that. Thank you very much, Boxy Charm. That is fantastic. Okay, and it is 32 bucks. 32 Whoppers. So we got several things this time. We got our wipes, we got our palette, we got our skin balm, a lip liner, whoa, I'm not gonna be able to hold it all, and a lip gloss. I'm really excited. If you guys do not already subscribe, I would very much recommend Boxy Charm. It's great. It's definitely worth your money. You're getting way more than what you pay for. It lets you experience new products that you normally probably wouldn't just go in and be like, oh, okay, I'll spend $32 on this. Because I know I wouldn't. But yeah, try them out. And as always, subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.